let's make mac and cheese bites. So first thing we have to do is boil the macaroni noodles. So we have to put some oil in so that they don't stick to the bottom. Now let's add some salt. And now we have to fill the thing to about halfway up. And make sure that there's no water on the sides of your pan so it does not burn on the stove. All right, so now what we have to do is we're gonna boil our noodles on high, so perfect. So I'm gonna boil it for 8 minutes because I want my noodles to be tender, but if you guys want them to be firm or in the middle, I'm doing it for 8 minutes because that's what's on the package. But if you have a different package, cook them what's on the package the way that you want it. And now we have to wait for the water to go to a full boil, and then we can add the noodles. So now that it's at a full boil, I'm gonna put my noodles in. And this noodle cup is exactly 1 cup, so that's what you have to remember. And now I'm gonna give it 1 stir, and then I'm going to let it cook, so. And now I let it cook. So now I'm gonna add my 8-minute timer since I'm making them tender. Noodles are done, so now my grandma has to drain the water from the noodles. And it's a very hot pan, so make sure to be careful when doing this part. For now, I'm gonna let the noodles cool, but let's make the sauce. So I have 2 tablespoons of butter right here, and that goes into the pan. So now that the butter is melted, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of flour. So I've just been stirring it, and now it's time for me to add the 1/2 cup of milk. So I decided to go with buffalo hot cheddar cheese. I think it will add more flavor to the bites. So if you want more flavor, add some spices or maybe different flavored cheese. So now that the milk is nicely mixed, it's time to add the cheese. So now it's time to add the noodles into the mix. It was a little bit thick, so I had to add some milk just to lighten it up. So now I'm gonna add these into our little mini pans. So now what I'm gonna do is shred a little bit of cheese on all of these. So now we have to put these in the oven. So we put them in the oven for 15 minutes. They're done. Now it's time to let them cool for 10 minutes. Look at how good these look. But I'm not just gonna eat these alone. So let me get my family. They're here. Okay, so let's try these final product. So everyone grab one. Got a mini one. Go. Oh. I get another one.
Got a little zip to them too.
Yeah.
Tastes great.
A buffalo cheddar cheese.
Wow, those are good.
Good job, man. I need water.
What do you think? You like them?
I think they're wonderful, and I think your mom we may not save any of these for her.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you do this at home, I hope you enjoy it. It's very good. And yeah. And as always, it's always good to have a grandma who cleans your mess up.